5 mods slash upgrades for your NC1 NSX for under $250. These are awesome and you're gonna love them. So the first one is this license plate. This is a real carbon fiber license plate. And the awesome thing with the NSX is that it matches this carbon fiber piece right here and it goes perfect. Now, when we got the carbon fiber plate, the second awesome upgrade we did is that we got these titanium black bolts, and these are titanium, and they really match the license plate perfectly. And this package right here just makes the back look really neat. Our third upgrade is these billet aluminum fasteners from Science of Speed. They're a perfect upgrade for the rear because I used to open up my hatch and the original plastic ones from the OEM ones, they would be everywhere. And these screw in and they look great. And the fourth one is the wireless CarPlay adapter that we just installed. It is a perfect upgrade. I literally wish I would have learned about it when I first got the car because it's like a must-have. Easy install and a perfect integration with the system. And then our fifth one is actually one of my favorite ones, and it's this carbon fiber cover for the NSX key. I think it looks super cool. It has a really nice feel, guys. It feels really, really nice. It's real carbon fiber and it adds that extra touch. All of these for $250. And we're gonna have the links in the description where you could buy it, and also a link where you could find those titanium bolts as well. Now, in the comment section, I want you guys to tell me which one you think is the best bang for the buck and which one you think is the best upgrade for the NSX. All right, guys, well, thank you for watching. You hit that like button. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.